lint completely blocking where it lets out. Make sure you have your dryer vent cleaned on the roof at least once a year. There we go, now the dryer is working. You do not want one of these screens on your dryer, it'll completely clog it. This out, see what we get. Look at that. It's like a sponge of lint, completely. Have your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year, maybe every 6 months. Look at all this crazy amount of lint buildup in this dryer vent. So make sure that your dryer vent gets cleaned at least once a year. With this lint, no, it's not a wasp nest. This is pure lint. Turns into like cement. Rock solid, completely blocking the exit of the vent, causing. So here we have a dryer vent completely clogged on the roof. Customer said the dryer was taking really long to dry. Look at all this. I correctly like this. Watch what happens when I pull this out. Boom. Look at all this. The lint gets stuck there, and then it closes this door. There's a door. There we go. Another dryer vent starting to get clogged on the roof. This one is like completely clogged. The hole is almost completely blocked. You can hear the air deflecting off of it. It's wet, and once it gets wet, the air can't get through it. Look how much is here. Boom. Now the dryer is working well. Woo, there comes out more. Definitely make sure you have your dryer vent, roof vent clean. And there's a door up here. Look what's on top of the door. Boom. See, now it's flowing because the door isn't weighed down. Make sure you have your dryer vent, roof vent cleaned once a year.